Achieve financial freedom before 30, step-by-step guide. Imagine waking up without an alarm, traveling whenever you want, and never worrying about your next paycheck. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that achieving financial freedom before 30 isn't just possible, it's completely within your reach? We've all seen those flashy videos of Lamborghinis and private jets, but real financial freedom isn't about showing off. It's about having options. It's about the freedom to pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and design the life you want without being chained to a desk. Stick with me because in this video, I'll break down a step-by-step game plan to help you escape the 9-to-5 grind and take control of your financial future. First things first, let's define what we mean by financial freedom. Because it's not just about being rich, it's about having options. It's about reaching a point where your money works harder for you than you work for it. Most people think financial freedom means having millions in the bank, but true financial freedom is about having enough passive income to cover your living expenses without relying on a 9-to-5 job. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time every single day. Think about it, wouldn't it be amazing to wake up without an alarm, pursue your passions, and spend more time with loved ones? Now you might be thinking, Graham, this sounds great, but is it really possible before 30? And the answer is a resounding yes. I did it, and I've seen countless others do it too. It all comes down to understanding the rules of the game and making smart decisions with your money. You need to build income streams that work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Now, before we dive into the specific strategies, we need to address the elephant in the room, your mindset. Because achieving financial freedom before 30 requires a fundamental shift in how you think about money, work, and life in general. Most people are conditioned to think about money in a very limited way. They're stuck in the work for money trap, trading their precious time for a paycheck. But to achieve true financial freedom, you need to break free from this outdated model. Instead of trading time for money, focus on building assets that generate passive income. This could be anything from rental properties and dividend stocks to online businesses and royalties. The key is to create income streams that work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Another crucial mindset shift is understanding the power of financial literacy. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz, but you need a solid understanding of basic financial concepts like investing, debt management, and wealth building. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions with your money. Finally, you need to adopt a long-term perspective. Building wealth takes time and consistency. Chapter 3. The 3 pillars of financial freedom. Alright, now that we've covered the mindset shift, let's get into the practical steps. To achieve financial freedom before 30, you need to master 3 key pillars: income, investments, and smart money management. Think of these pillars as the foundation of your financial freedom journey. Pillar 1 is all about increasing your income. And no, I'm not just talking about working harder at your 9-to-5. While having a stable job is important, you need to start thinking outside the box and explore alternative income streams. This could include starting a side hustle, freelancing, building an online business, or even investing in income-generating assets like rental properties or dividend stocks. The key is to diversify your income streams so you're not relying on a single source of income. Pillar 2 is investing. Remember, it's not enough to just earn money. You need to put your money to work for you. Investing is the key to building long-term wealth and achieving financial freedom. Now, investing might seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. Start by educating yourself on the basics of investing. Learn about different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. And remember, you don't need a lot of money to get started. Thanks to fractional shares and low-cost index funds, you can start investing with as little as $5. Finally, Pillar 3 is smart money management. This is all about making conscious decisions with your money and optimizing your spending habits. Chapter 4. Realistic timeline and action plan. Now that we've covered the 3 pillars of financial freedom, let's talk about what a realistic timeline looks like. If you follow the steps outlined in this video, you can achieve financial freedom in under 10 years. Here's a rough breakdown. Years 1 to 3. This is all about building the foundation. Focus on increasing your income, paying down debt, and building an emergency fund. Start exploring different side hustles and investment opportunities. Remember, consistency is key. Years 4 to 6. Now it's time to ramp things up. Invest heavily in assets that generate passive income like rental properties, dividend stocks, or online businesses. Continue to increase your income and live below your means. Years 7 to 10. By this point, your passive income streams should be generating significant cash flow. Focus on scaling your investments, reinvesting your profits, and systemizing your wealth-building process. Now I know this timeline might seem daunting, but remember, it's just a roadmap. Everyone's journey to financial freedom is unique. The important thing is to take action and stay consistent. To help you get started, here are a few action steps you can take right now. 1. Calculate your financial freedom number. This is the amount of money you need to have invested to cover your living expenses with passive income. 2. Create a detailed budget and start tracking your expenses. 3. Identify at least one side hustle or income-generating opportunity to pursue. Chapter 5. Mistakes to avoid. Alright, before we wrap things up, I want to go over some common mistakes that can derail your journey to financial freedom. Avoid these pitfalls, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Mistake number 1 is lifestyle inflation. This is when you increase your spending as your income grows. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as you start making more money, but resist the urge. Instead, maintain a modest lifestyle and invest the difference. Mistake number 2 is not investing early enough. Remember, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, start now. Mistake number 3 is relying on only one income source. We live in an uncertain world, and relying solely on your 9-to-5 job is risky. Diversify your income streams by exploring side hustles, investing, or starting a business. Mistake number 4 is taking on unnecessary debt. Debt is a wealth killer. Avoid taking on high-interest debt like credit card debt or payday loans. If you have existing debt, create a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. So are you ready to take control of your financial future? Remember, financial freedom before 30 is achievable if you're willing to put in the work, adopt the right mindset, and follow the steps outlined in this video. Start today, pick one strategy, and take action. Don't wait for the perfect time, because there's no better time than now to start building the life you deserve. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below on where you are in your financial journey. Let's make financial freedom before 30 a reality.